happy 4th of July. It's just before 8 o'clock. And Epcot opens for early park admission at 8:30. So we're trying to get to the Skyliner a little bit early because I've heard the line can be long. But yeah, we're all patriotic. Alright, we're walking into the new section of the France Pavilion.
Venez, suivez-moi.
Wow. That was fun. Usually on that ride though, last time we could smell things, like they would put scents out so that, you know, you would smell what they were cooking and stuff, but that didn't happen this time. So, a little bit of a bummer. It was still really fun though. We are back at the French Pavilion and getting some crepes. It's about the only thing that's open right now. Alright, I got the red berry crepe and Dominic got the Nutella crepe. We're just sitting underneath the Skyliner. Also, I don't think I said, but we did get a boarding group for the Guardians ride around 12:30, and it's quarter to 10 now, so I'm really excited. A little bit scared. I just met Aurora. Oh, she's behind me. There she is.
You see?
Oh yeah, and there's Belle. Hi, Belle. Oh, she's probably waving at Aurora, not me. There's Belle. This section, they have all of these stands and they're literally dispensing air right here that is scented. So it shows you all the scents that you can find in a garden. It's really neat. Dominic is totally nerding out over all the plants. They have all these labels that tell you about it. Look at all the bees. Finally, coffee. They have a 4th of July donut. Look, they have a coffee plant right outside of Joffrey's. How fitting.
Wow.
What'd you get, Dominic?
Ice mocha.
I got an iced hazelnut latte. It's hitting the spot. You're performing? Where? We are now heading to the land to ride Living with the Land, which is Dominic's. Is that your favorite ride in Disney World?
What?
Living with the Land? Is it better than Rise of the Resistance here?
It's my favorite ride in Epcot, for sure.
Okay. That's top like 5 in all of Disney World?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's a really good ride if you love, you know, nature and plants and all that.
Yeah. That's why, like, right now, my favorite thing right now is looking at all of the flower and garden exhibits that they have up.
Yeah, it's really great.
Those are very beautiful. I've taken a lot of pictures of things.
They have the Lion King topiaries. How cool. Oh my gosh! Wow! Timon and Pumbaa. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous.
I really want to know what these are.
It looks similar to a poinsettia, like the leaves.
It looks very similar.
We've been looking for the butterfly exhibit, and here it is. I'm gonna try it out. Whoa, oh, one escaped, I think. Wow, look at them all. Oh my gosh, they're trying to get out. I'm so happy you're enjoying it so much.
So this is what I was talking about before with Gabrielle. If you notice the antennae at the ends of them, they're knobbed. If you see knobbed lobules on the butterfly or moth,
Right.
then it's probably a butterfly. Now, if they're like filamentous, where they're kind of, I think it's filamentous, where they're like very broad and they look like eyebrows, like big, puffy, caterpillar-looking things on the top of their head, those are probably moths. Their mouth parts are in a coil. So their mouth goes like this and it loops.
Wow. Neat. All right, now we're heading into the land pavilion and we're gonna go see about that tour. He's losing it, he's so excited. They have a behind the scenes tour here. You get to go backstage and learn about the plants and I guess their initiative here at Epcot. All right, it's time for us to ride Guardians. So we're walking up now. Only a little bit nervous. I'm trying not to think about it. The sun is beating down now, so I think after this we might sit down and relax for a little bit, hydrate, just take it easy before we overdo it. Are you ready, Dominic?
Super cold in there.
I know, I'm ready for the air conditioning. Ah, wonders of Sandar, from our world to yours. So what's cool about this ride is that they have a different soundtrack each time you ride it. So I wonder what song we're gonna get. Wow. I'm excited.
Zandar's urban core is home to some of our most unique residences. Many Zandarians prefer living high above the city.
Millennium, a half-star for centurions like myself.
That was so much fun. Oh my gosh. That was just like a really good roller coaster. It does spin a little bit because you're going around like the planets and it makes you like feel like you're being whipped around because of gravity. But there are no drops and no upside down. So and there's also not a big no big hills. So it's a thrill ride, but it's not too intense, which I like.
Very good.
It was so fun. I hope we get to ride it again.
The displays are gigantic.
Yeah,
The stuff that you see during it is really awesome.
It's amazing. Okay, we just took the friendship boat back over to Morocco. We're gonna start looking for some food. All right. Nothing like being in the American pavilion on the 4th of July. Woohoo! All right, buongiorno. We're in Italy. Let's see if we can find something to eat here. All right, we're standing in line for Via Napoli. We're gonna see if we can get a table. We don't have a reservation though. That's what the pavilion looks like. They have a nicer Italian restaurant over there and a wine cellar. And you can also order pizza just at this walk-up window, which we might do if we can't get a table. So something I noticed was all the international employees are back. Because when we were here, it was still COVID and the United States was still locked down. So now when you go to different pavilions, you have actual like Italian people speaking Italian and like, you know what I mean? And it's really cool. But now we're just waiting for a table at Via Napoli. It's only 10 minutes, so lucky us. I don't think we even waited 10 minutes. We didn't have a reservation. And we are on like this enclosed patio.
Hidden Mickey. Not so hidden Mickey.
It looks so good. Caesar salad. Oh my.
Yeah.
Alright, we just finished lunch at Via Napoli and now it is starting to rain. I have to get the ponchos on. But we are heading to the front of the park to board the monorail and try to get into Magic Kingdom. It is now 7:30 p.m. On the boat to Magic Kingdom, I was feeling very hot, very tired, kind of heat exhausted. Then we got to Magic Kingdom and I was starting to feel a little dizzy. Everything's okay. But we sat in the air conditioning in Magic Kingdom, I want to say for like a good hour. So that I could cool off. But anyway, so I was just, you know, I was a little worried that I was getting too heat exhausted, so we decided to come back to Pop Century. We are now, well, Dominic's taking a quick rinse, but we are gonna head to the food court at Pop Century, I don't remember what it's called, to have some dinner, and we'll see. If it's not raining, then we might go back to Magic Kingdom or Epcot, I'm not sure. But yeah, it'll all depend on the weather and how I'm feeling. I don't want to overdo it because it's the first day. The Florida weather is no joke. And I think going forward, we will just, even if we're feeling fine, I think we will just come back in the afternoon. Cause yeah, the way I felt earlier was not great. All right, it's 8 o'clock and we are at the Pop Century food court. It's very similar to the All-Star Movies one from our last trip, but Dominic got the salmon with the same size as me, except I got the chicken, and he got this cupcake for dessert.
I basically ate both of our meals and the cupcake.
Well, he left me a bite.
I left her a bite.
But it was actually pretty good. I liked it a lot. I'd come back.
It's pretty good, yeah.
Yeah. So what's the plan for tonight, Dominic?
We're gonna try to go see the fireworks.
Dominic said we can go to Magic Kingdom, but on one condition.
If she starts to feel faintish or dizzy or like she's super hot or anything like that,
Immediately no.
straight back.
All right.
Straight back.
I feel really good right now. I'm glad I was hungry. I wanted to eat. I don't know.
That includes like if you feel nauseated, all right?
I gotta tell you.
Any of that. Straight back.
All right, we just arrived at Magic Kingdom. We still have to go through security and scan our magic bands, but we might just make it. All right, we're gonna just stick ourselves up here. Look at the castle. Walking around. Might get on a ride, I don't know. Fireworks were good, although it was so crowded and overwhelming after they ended. So I'm not sure if that makes it worth it, to be honest. All right, so everybody cleared out after the fireworks, luckily, and now we're going on Pirates. It seems like it's gonna be a walk-on. Just a reminder, this Pirates is way inferior to the Disneyland one, but that's okay, we love it anyway. We're on Pirates. There's nobody here. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Never lay eyes on it, nor this heat.
Alright, good night. We rode Pirates, but I'm feeling wiped out. so that's what we're gonna do.